Cross shows Angel the special gift God gave him, while Queen saves herself from danger by running away. The Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye edition is still trending with amazing contestants who have interesting personalities. BB Naija Shine Your Eye housemate Cross has done the most shocking thing so far on the show, as he gave Angel an opportunity to look at his John Thomas in the house today. In the video making the rounds online, Cross could be seen pushing down his joggers and then letting Angel have a glimpse at his special John Thomas, while Queen took to her heels, apparently to avoid looking more at what is happening. Several fans, several fans of the show have dropped their thoughts on the new development, and here is some of the reaction we saw. At Bamoski wrote, "See why they have to stop this program and our kids are watching this, so sad." Another user said, "Conjina bastard." KV Samuel wrote, "Camera from the front side please." Joe Baba 123 wrote, "Crazy bad boy." Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and please don't fail to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment.